can affirmation help get out of depression and heal from phobias that trouble everyday life?
Yes, affirmation can definitely help you, because whenever you have a phobia or any kind of fear, it's nothing but a negative affirmation that you have been carrying from a long time. Like, what is a phobia? You constantly reminding yourself of a fear or a negative outcome. So it's like visualizing and talking to yourself, affirming that, okay, I'm fearful to this thing, I'm fearful to this thing, or this thing will go wrong.
Yeah.
So there are so many research has been done in clinical psychology that they have helped people to come out of phobias using visualization and affirmation. So because whenever we are going through any kind of phobia, stress, anxiety for a longer period of time, it means we are rewiring we have wired the brain for that negativity. So we have to unwind and rewire it in a positive way. So
Yes.
affirmation, visualization helps tremendously, because it's a mental issue, not a physical issue.